Welcome back to Construction Simulator in Europe. We are doing the bridge phase in the Prestige Project's bridge project. We've made the pillars last episode with the drilling machine. Since the bridge over here is our only way in and out, and this drilling machine is kind of in the way, I think I'm going to send the drill back home. So that will give us some space back. I am going to leave the concrete mixer and the concrete pump on site because I think they are quite useful. I'm going to leave this crane over here as well. I think we're going to leverage the fact that we own two cranes and use one on either side of the map. The truck also has a crane on it that we can use, but I've got a feeling we're going to need a crane over here. So let's go into our company's vehicle fleet and we'll pull out our second crane, which is this slightly smaller one, and bring it over to the site, and that way we'll have a crane on the left and a crane on the right, so we don't have to maneuver too much. Where are we going? Here we go. So I'm planning to park this kind of, there's a little corner down here, so I might actually do a U-turn and park it so that the swing is as close to this dirt island to our left as possible. I'm going to put it right in this corner, so that way if we need to boom out over the island, we have a chance to do that. About there should be pretty safe. Hopefully that leg's going to work. Is it? Alright, it's the concrete that was too close. If we just go a little bit like this, we should be good. Is that wood going to be in the way? No, we're good. Awesome. So we'll use this to take things on and off the truck as well. So let's move the truck down the hill a bit so it's easier to... Now the truck does have a crane on it too. Park that kind of down and out of the way. It's a smaller truck. And we want rebar mesh, some red things. So let's get the red things off first. I think we might have some things covered up a little bit. Pallet of wood, which I think is this one at the back here. I just taped this. I'm taking this episode back to back from the last one. I'm still kind of shaking my head about how bad I did the drilling. I am not good at drilling for some reason. I kind of got the hang of it at the end, like what to do, but I just struggled to get the things in the right place at the right time. But I don't know how you guys, how good you are at it. As I said in the last episode, you don't use the drill too much, so I think that might be some of the problem. It's a lack of practice. I'm going to put this on the ground to our left. Actually, I'm going to put it in the safe space because I know that if you put it in this white box, it will be in the safe zone. This way a little bit. I expect to be crating those into the site a little bit later. There's a fair few of those steel beams actually. I think if I get rid of the wood beam right here, we'll be able to get access to another rebar mesh. wildly turning. There we go. Yeah, that worked out well. Alright, let's see what this makes. I'm assuming we're going to end up with a whole lot of concrete pylons. Let's have a look. 4 columns, a lot of them. Oh, wow. That's got to be a huge amount of concrete. It's got to be. So I think I might move the truck a little bit more forward. Just because of the height, I'm worried that it's going to be a bit much. Yeah, I'm going to probably just center this around about here. I don't know if I can get the legs down. Is it going to be happy? No, I'm assuming that stone at the back. Yeah, I'm worried that I won't be able to swing the head into place. No, that's still too close. Yeah, it's kind of finicky to get it right. Let's try one more time. Yeah, that should work. Now, I don't know whether it's worth buying 2 of everything. 2 concrete mixers, 2 cement mixers. I don't know whether we're going to be coming back to this side of the map again. Am I too close? Can I not boom there? Yeah, I don't think I can boom. Yeah, that's not going to work. So I think it's a matter of being... Maybe I was in the right spot before. Let's try right there. Yeah, I was wondering whether, are we going to be in a situation where we're going to have to continue to go from the left to right, left to right? And if we are, I'd rather just have everything set up twice. We can afford it. Right, let's get this a bit more set up. Get the back open. I'm going to assume what we can do at least something with this. Yeah, this is, I mentioned in the last episode, it'd be cool if, I believe that the previous construction simulator had concrete buckets. And this would be a good example. Why can't I boom? I can't boom that close, can I? Alright, we're going to have to do some maneuvering about that. Alright, this we'll pull what we've got left here. Alright, we'll do the these 3 at least. Maybe it's a matter of maneuvering so that you do the far 2 and then the other 2 or something. This is a really good multiplayer example. Get someone to continually do the concrete. Get out of the way, sign. Yeah, probably about 5 or 6 loads for the whole thing. Maybe less. Can I even reach the last one? I can. Whew. Alright, so where did I park it? I parked it kind of the blue cab past the end of the timber. 75, 80, 90, 100. So let's see if I can get, I don't know if I can get this thing to, oh, it will. So once you like reach out, interesting. Oh, I don't think I can get it. Because we're too high. It says red. Yeah. I don't think it's possible. Let me reset it and see if I can. Because there's a whole lot of positions where you can't get, you can't do that. You cannot get it back to, even though you started with it. So let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't think I can get it that close. Yeah, I don't think it's possible. Alright, let's get the concrete mixer out of the way. We'll probably just park a bit more backwards, I guess. We won't go too far backwards. Alright, so for the far ones, it's risky. The wheels have to be off the ground, off the wood. Oh, that was a bit close. Oh, that's completely empty, so I may as well. Alright, let's see if we can get it this time. Yeah, it's quite difficult positioning. Yeah, barely I was able to do it then. $40, $50, $60. And we are done. Right, let's do the other side, I guess. So the trick is to get somewhere that's, I'll do it right here, I guess. That's not going to work. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the concrete mixer. Oh, this is quite technically hard. As if they designed the game that way. Just notice we've got a skill point from the previous campaign, so before I forget, we'll spend that point. Profile skills. Here we have one skill point. Well, I'm pretty sure we're going to be doing asphalting this thing, so let's start investing in that. We'll get this one single one down, maybe the first two, then reposition. %, flying up. Hopefully we can do all four. I don't think so. I don't think we've got the reach. Alright. So change the time of the day. We'll go for a morning. Refill. Start pouring again. $50, $60. I think we're going to be girdering in a whole lot of steel, I'm thinking. In the USA one bridge, a whole lot of pieces of the bridge came in on barges, which was kind of cool. Hopefully, maybe that will happen again. Can we reach, or do we need to reposition? We need to reposition. It's like they deliberately did that. I've got to go somewhere where the feet can land. I wish the hopper didn't close. So we need to really curve in here. That went better than planned. That went really well. There's not much left in the truck, but hopefully we've got enough here. We may have to do a refill. Well, the bridge is really starting to look like a bridge. Finish this off. %. Of course we have to have more concrete. And 100%. You've advanced to player level. So that's kind of cool. It's spend it straight away. So we have bucket capacity. I never really struggle with that because the excavators don't seem to be affected by it much. So I'm just going to do asphalt, I think. So let's steel beam. So let's get the yeah. Let's get this out of the way. Park this off site. I doubt we'll have much more concrete left, but we yeah, we'll keep it here rather than taking it back to home. Let's I think the close one we have to give steel beams, so I think that I don't think we're going to be booming them into site. I think we're just booming them to the staging area. Oh, we are going to have more concreting to do because there's concrete form here. So that's good that we kept that around. Let's see if we can get this on the truck. Come on, let me do it. Fine. Pick up the steel beam that we left last time. Squeeze up against this ledge. And what else do we have on the truck? So we'll have to move one of those pieces of wood. So I'm having to feather the as I boom down, I have to crane up, as in move the rope in and out. Right. Hopefully be able to put this piece of wood on the trailer. That'll do. Yeah, so we've got a whole lot more concreting to do because there's a whole lot of formwork and rebar. Alright, what happened? Oh wow, all those big blue things happened. Bridge partial girder. So we have to deliver. So is this crane going to be in the right spot for that? So I'm just expanding it as big as I can. You can see the bottom is getting longer and longer. And I think we are at the maximum, so I don't know whether... yeah, it's not going to be in the right spot. So if we move that crane over, it's still going to be pretty limited. I think the other crane though can do it. Alright, so let's what I might do is grab this guy and I'm going to park that there. So uncouple. And I'm grabbing this one because I want to use him with his crane, just in case that's important. So let's yeah, we're going to grab that, jump home, and then we're going to pull out another trailer. We'll pull out this trailer. Hopefully this is going to be big enough. This crane's at B. I don't know whether the thing we're picking up is... So I believe we have to go... Okay, we have to go to the steel mill. We can't fast travel there, but we can fast travel to there. Another milestone for jumping around the map a lot. Where am I going? So I need to go to the end, turn right. This is relatively close to the bridge. Here, and somewhere in here we'll be picking up steel. Just going to park in the far bay. Actually, I can play park over here. Grab another hammer. Yep. Okay, as you purchase it, goes on your truck, does it? It does. Ah, no, we have to crane it. Okay. So let's have a quick look. Are these doesn't tell you what's. No, it doesn't tell us what weight they are. Too heavy. It doesn't tell us what they are. Okay. So I'm guessing we may need the green trailer. So what I'm going to do is, which crane am I going to use? Let's use the, since the big one's set up probably somewhere where it's already useful, let's use this guy, the smaller one. And we're going to reset him, go back into driving mode, and then we're going to fast travel over here. I'm highly tempted to buy a third crane here. That's a cool big barge going through. Hopefully a grade C crane will be enough. Is it going to show us? Yeah, it doesn't tell us what the weight is. Let's rotate this round so it kind of fits on the truck. Might actually move that truck back a bit, it'll be easier. This one. Can I get two at once? Yes, I think I can. Awesome. Down it goes. Nice. I'm just going to drive this because I think we have to put one on either side of the bridge. I think there's where the big crane is set up right now is correct. So we need to get, oh, there's a ramp here, good. We need to get up here. Alright, see if the big crane is in the right spot. Hopefully it is. Awesome. Well, that was pretty easy. I will do a quick rotation. semi-quick. Yeah, it's clear that they made it 3 and 3, so it's forcing you to kind of drive to 2 different places. Next one. Quick rotation. Alright, let's get another load. I'm just going to fast travel now. I don't know if the green truck would have been better or worse for this. I don't think it makes too much difference. Since they turn up this way, I'm going to set up my lorry so that's parallel. We'll buy 2 more. Oh. Was it just because... Oh, I think it was because the truck was in the way that it didn't let me do it before. Oh, maybe I could have put 3 on a truck. Interesting. Yeah, we probably could have done this in 2 trips. Definitely with the Greenmore trailer, I think we could have got 3 on it. But we'll do 3 2s, I think. Yeah, this is a pretty cool level. I like the all the different components and you know, the drilling and stuff. As much as I'm not very good at drilling, it's kind of fun to definitely do something that is different. The fun is the fact that you're not good at it. Are you going to turn left on me? So we'll drop this off, and then I guess we'll fast travel the other side. Oh, don't go over the edge. I was a little bit hot there. I'm surprised they made you only bring 3 rather than 4. I would have thought they would have made you bring every component. Yeah, so I'm going. Do I want to move this bridge? I got a feeling I'm gonna need that that crane again. I am going to use my tremendous wealth and buy another crane. I'm going to leave the smaller one at the sawmills and stuff, and I'm going to have 2 big cranes available to me just because I can. Might as well enjoy the wealth. So let's fast travel to the other side, and I'm just going to set this up probably. This one's huge, so just debating whether I was going to back it into here, but I think this will be fine. Get this extended. It'd be cool if we can crane stuff out onto the islands. Yeah, the extension on these big ones are just amazing. I'm just going to go fully extended here. Alright, it's fully extended. Yeah, just for the fun of it, because I can. I don't know if I can reach halfway across the island. But if I can, we can boom the... Oh, we can, easily. So, I'm going to hand off the beam. I'm going to use the other one. And we'll... Oops, that's not the one I want. I want the other big one. I want this one. The other one on the other side of the river. And I'm going to use this to pick this guy up. And I'm going to put it in the middle of the island. And I'll get the other one to pick it up. Will it let me? It will. Good. And then we'll use our new one to transfer the rest. Fun little exercise. All right, let's go get the last two and finish this little stage off. So we kind of want to line it up so that, line it up so the tray is parallel, or semi-parallel. Alright, smaller crane. Yeah, so eventually I'll probably put a smaller crane here, a smaller crane at the sawmill and just leave them there. Because in real life they'd have their own cranes there. They wouldn't make you bring your own crane just to load up. I mean, they had to use a crane to put it in spot into that place anyway. Cool. And then let's jump in there. Fast travel across the other side. I'm gonna probably back it up the ramp, and we'll lift it from above. I wonder what that question mark is. Oh, I wasn't paying attention to the map. I was looking at the map too much. Yeah, I wonder what that question mark is on the map, because it seems to be not on a road. So let's, yeah, we're going to have to asphalt this entire freeway, I'm guessing, across there. New crane, the one with the one on it. this into place. Oh, it's round the wrong way. Whatever. Come on. Come on. And, whoops, wrong keystroke. I was trying to rotate and I, rotate the piece, but I rotated the head of the, crane instead. Oh, I can do better than that. Come on. Ah, that'll do. Alright, so let's get the crane head out of the blue box. Back this guy out. Nice. Nice big heavy lift. I'm glad we've got the... Ah, okay. We don't want to do that. Went off the side there. Yeah, I'm glad we... How heavy are these, does it say? C's. Okay, so we could have used a... the smaller crane for this, but I think the big crane's well worth it because it's just purely the reach. So we have to put them... Okay, just out. We'll put this close one on the close one. Down carefully. Alright, let's get the second one done. I hope there's more than just these 4 to do. I doubt it though. Yeah, this is the type of thing where this game shines. It's really unique, and I'm not really aware of any other game where you can do this type of gameplay. Oh, there is more. Awesome. Head's being very there it goes. It's kind of like it's flung away in the wind, but it's not. It's just reacting to the momentum. Yeah, this D-grade crane is fantastic for this type of scenario, and I'm glad we've got 2 of them. When I did the US map, I did it in multiplayer for the bridge, and we had 2 of everything, 2 drills, 2 cranes, 2 everything, and it was just really smooth. It was fantastic to do. Carefully just get this where I want it. Oh wow, that's cool. There's more. Awesome. Oh, that's really good that we get to do the entire bridge. I assume there's going to be a middle section too, somehow. So what's that total? 1, 2, 6. So it's going to be 12, 14 for the entire bridge. That's a good number. That's a good number of lifts. Come on. It's really delicate. This is Since there's no more red beams on the sidewalk there, I'm guessing this is the end of the lifts on the left. Alright, let's change sides of the bridge and do the other side now. I assume it's going to be the same amount. I think this side, because there's that one in the middle there, off the side that we didn't bring. I think that represents the middle section. I think I've got this fully extended, don't I? No, I don't. Do I? No, I don't. Let me get this fully extended. Okay. Yeah, I fully extended it because I know in the future lifts will need the length. I think I might jump out and change the time of the day here. I want to see what we're doing here. Let me back in. Let me back in. Try not to sway it around too much. Maybe I should be doing this from the cabin view. I have to call this the craning episode, or the still episode. We can do it a bit better than that, make it a bit more realistic. Alright, what's that? 3 left to go. I saw that it was a $600,000 asphalting phase? So I got a feeling this bridge is going to be a massive asphalt paving exercise. I'm surprised a private investor would be doing this type of work for a city. And I think the storyline's a bit weak as far as that's concerned. What's this? So these 2 more, and then the middle sections, I guess. Just trying to line it up and to be kind of center aligned. I'm actually leaning in and staring at the screen. Yeah, these D-grade cranes are fantastic for this type of thing. Their reach and everything just makes it so much easier to boom around. Yeah, I'm glad we bought 2 of them, just so we didn't have to reposition. Alright, so they're on the right hand side. Awesome. So imagine if you started on the right, did 3, move it to the other side, and then have to come back. That'd be quite annoying. Right, let's finish off the left lane, or the right lane, whichever way you look at it. Actually, yeah, we're fully zoomed out here. Just gonna make this a little bit more realistic. Can't cap out a bridge and not have it done properly. So it's one side done. We're only at 55%, so I'm guessing yeah, the asphalting and stuff is going to take a lot of time. And lucky last piece. We still have $2.5 million in the bank. That's not bad considering all of the machinery we've bought. Just making sure the boom is all the way out. Yeah, it definitely is. Rotate this a little bit. And complete. Stage complete. So like rebar mesh. Oh, we're going to lay concrete. We're going to have to lay a concrete floor on it. Okay. So let's just pull this guy back. Do we have to put the... No, we only have to do it on one side. So let's put this crane kind of out of the way, pointing this way. And for the other crane, we'll swing around. And we're going to jump out, and we're going to call that a day. Lots of good progress. All the steel work got done. That looks really cool. I really like that. I assume these are temporary. Yeah, this looks like temporary footings while it's being built. And then now that it's all craned together and bolted together, it's freestanding on these pillars we made. But that will be it. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Looking forward to doing the next episode and seeing what happens. And I'll hope to see you there. And as always, thanks for watching.